Okay, good morning, class.
Good morning, Ma'am Zayco. Good morning, classmates.
Okay, take down your seats. Okay, so how's your weekend?
It's
Okay, how's your weekend?
okay.
Okay, so I'm so happy that everyone is doing great. Now it's doing fine. Okay, so before we're going to start, what we are going to do? Before we're going to start our class, okay, let's pray. So, okay, now stand up, everyone. Let's pray. Stand up, everyone. What you're going to do if someone is praying in front of you? Close your eyes and bow down your heads. Okay, so let's pray. Dear Lord, thank you for this day. In Jesus' name we pray. Amen. Okay, amen. So, sit down. Okay, sit down. So, I will check your attendance for today. Okay, so, who is the absent for today? Okay, so everyone is here? Okay, so we have a perfect attendance for today. So let's clap our hands. Okay, so let's give everyone a science clap. You know the science clap, right? Okay, so let's give everyone a science clap. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Science, science, fun, fun, fun. In science, science, learn, learn, learn. We have the science class. Okay, so sit down, everyone. Okay. So, do you have an assignment? Do we have an assignment yesterday?
Yes.
Okay, so sino nakahimo assignment? Sino nakahimo assignment? Okay, so pass all your assignments in front. Pass your all assignment. Pass your assignment. Okay. So I think tanan nakaubra sa assignment. So very good. Okay. Okay, so before we're going to start our class, what we are going to do first?
Science
Okay,
song.
science song, please stand up, everyone. Okay, so let's shake our hands. Stomp our feet. Let's stomp our feet. Okay, very good. So, okay, if you love the science class, ready? Sing.
If you love the science class, just clap your hands. If you love the science class, just clap your hands. If you love the science class, if you love the science class, if you love the science class, just clap your hands.
If you enjoy the science class, please say hooray.
Hooray!
If you enjoy the science class, please say hooray.
Hooray!
You enjoy the science class.
You enjoy the science class.
You enjoy the science class, please say hooray.
Hooray!
You want to learn new things, please stomp your feet. You want to learn new things, stomp your feet. If you want to learn new things, if you want to learn new things, if you want to learn new things, stomp your feet. Okay, very good. Okay, so at this moment, I'm going to show or I'm going to visualize to you some pictures, okay? Okay, can somebody tell me what is this? Okay, Dimple. Oh, okay, it's the wind, right? It's the wind? Okay, so, okay, another one. What is this? Okay, Chloe.
Mommy crab.
Okay, it's Mommy Crab. So, she is beautiful, right? Okay, so please hello to Mommy Crab.
Hello,
Mommy Crab. Okay, so another one. What is this?
Orange juice.
Yes.
Orange juice.
Okay, it's an orange juice. So, okay, so I will explain to you that solid is a definite shape, definite size. Liquid has a definite shape but no definite size. Gas has no definite size, no definite shape, nor definite mass. So, which do you think? So, let's just pretend, okay? Let's just pretend that these objects that I am holding is a real or are real objects, okay? So, first, okay, I'm holding the real mommy crab. Okay, I'm holding mommy crab. Let's pretend that Mommy crab is real. I am holding mommy crab. So Can you hold Mommy Crab?
Yes.
Of course, can you hold Mommy Crab? Can you touch Mommy Crab?
Yes.
Of course, can you feel the texture of Mommy Crab?
Yes.
Of course, you can feel and you can hold Mommy Crab. So, next one, orange juice. So, let's talk about orange juice, okay? Not the glass, ha? Okay, let's just pretend that I am holding a glass with apple, with orange juice, okay? So, can you feel the orange juice?
Yes.
Of course, can you feel whether it is hot or cold? Yeah, right? Okay, so can you touch orange juice?
No.
Can you touch orange juice?
Yes.
Yes, definitely you can touch it. And you can hold orange juice.
No.
Yes, Dimple. No, of course we can't, diba? Okay, so another one. What is this?
Wind.
Of course, it's a wind. So, we can feel the wind.
Yes.
Yes, we can feel the wind. We can touch the wind.
No.
We can touch the wind.
No.
We can touch the wind. No, of course we can't. We can hold the. We can hold the wind.
No.
We can? No. We can? No, of course we can. We can't hold the air, right? So, okay, I will be asking each one of you if orange juice is an example of solid, liquid, or gas. Which do you think?
Liquid.
Okay, so we're going to discover that later. Okay, so is Mommy Crab example of gas, liquid, or solid?
Solid.
Sa? What?
Liquid.
Okay, so let's discover that later if your answer is correct. Okay, so which do you think wind? Is wind an example of gas, liquid, or solid?
Liquid. Gas.
Okay, so what we call this? Let's discover that later if we're going to tackle our new topic. Okay, so before we're going to start, or we're going to proceed to our new topic. Okay, so let's review first our lesson from yesterday. Okay, so what is our lesson yesterday? Okay, okay, Chloe.
Our lesson
Okay, so give him a round of applause. Okay, so we talk about matter. Okay, so what is matter? Yes, Mutya.
Matter is anything that occupies space.
Okay, very good. Give her a round of applause. Okay, very good. Matter is anything that occupies space. Anything na maka-occupy space is what we call matter. So, what are the characteristics of matter? Yes, Dimple.
Matter has shape, has size, and has volume, and anything that occupies space.
Okay, very good. Give her a round of applause. Okay, very good. So, the characteristics of matter are has shape, what? Has size, and volume. Okay, and anything that occupies space is what we call matter. So, I am so happy that everyone is or already know what is matter. Okay, so at this juncture, okay, I am holding keywords. Okay, it's a words. Okay, so each one of these keyword is what we call define solid, liquid, or gas. So what you are going to do, we're going to paste, okay? Each one of you, we're going to pick, okay? And if you think that this keywords is define solid, then you paste it. You just paste it, okay? You just paste, okay? So just need to paste, okay? Okay, so one for you. Paste it. Just paste whether it is solid, liquid, or gas. Paste. Paste. Okay. Okay, kuha lang ka mo. Oh. Again. Oh. Okay, just paste it. Again, just paste it. So I have so many keywords in here, okay? So in each one of this keyword is defining solid, liquid, or gas. So if you think that that keyword is defined solid, liquid, and gas, then paste it. Last one. Okay, you again, Michael. Just paste it. If you think that is defining solid, liquid, and gas, then you paste it. No more na, no more. Okay? If you are done pasting, okay, you may take your seat now. Okay. So you answered all of this now. So, okay. So, all of your answers, we're going to discover that later if we're going to proceed to our final discussion. Okay, so this answer of yours will be corrected if we're done discussing our new topic. Okay, so let's just preserve this for later. Okay. Okay, so based on the keywords that I have given and based on the activity that we did a while ago, what do you think will be our lesson for today? Okay, Dimple.
I think we will
Okay, very good. Give her a round of applause. Okay, so she thinks that we will be discussing solid, liquid, and gas, which is true. We are going to discuss for this day, we're going to discuss about the properties of matter. So, but before we're going to proceed to our discussion, I have another activity for you to do, okay? Okay, so I have an activity here. Okay, children, eyes on the board, please read. Properties of matter. Solid, liquid, gas. Okay, so we are going to discuss about solid, liquid, and gas. So I have here an object. Okay, an object, and I will give it to you. Each one of you, I will give pictures. Okay, so you're going to paste it again whether this object or pictures is defining solid, liquid, or gas. Okay? So, it's your, okay, pick. I will just give na lang. Okay, pick na. Okay, i-paste ninyo kung diin na siya na bilong nga example. Solid, liquid, or gas. Okay? Oh, sketch tape. Okay, without cheating, just your own lang. If you're lang, okay. If you're done pasting, just, balik sa kukuhanan. Sit down properly. Okay, just leave it here. Okay, go back to your seats if you're done pasting. Okay. So, okay, sit down na everyone. Listen. So, wala gyud may nang face as liquid? Wala gyud may nang face. Okay, it's just your answer, no? Your answer. Liquid, are ang liquid. Ang gas, are. Okay, I will give you time to correct your answers. Oh, just be careful lang. Just be careful. Okay, there are more spaces from here. You can... Okay na? Okay. So, these are your answers. These are your answers. Okay, so... Okay, please identify what objects the pictures are describing. What is this?
Flower.
Okay, what is this? Apple. And what is this? Box. Okay, very good. What is this?
Dress.
Okay, it's a beautiful yellow dress. And, oh, what is this?
Steam.
Steam. Okay, it's a steam, right? And what is this?
Steer.
very good. And what is this? Vape. Oh, did you know what is vape? Vape? Oh, aso. Very good. It's a vape. So have vape. Okay, very good. So what is this? House. Very good. And this? What is this? Okay, so you missed it in the wrong way. So let's just go now. It's a what? It's a what? It's a steam. Okay, very good. So before we going to proceed, let's just preserve this, okay? And we're going to correct it later after our discussion, okay? So we're just going to preserve it. Okay, so but before we going to proceed to our final discussion about properties of matter, let's have a group activity first. So who wants in this classroom group activity? Okay, so very good, no? Okay, so this will serve as group 1, okay? You are the group 1 and you are the group 2, okay? And you will serve as the group 3, okay? So what okay, ma'am, what are we going to do, ma'am? So, okay, I will discuss your task, okay? So group 1, I have these pictures again, okay? So group 1 will be selecting on these pictures, will be selecting which are examples of solid, okay? So we're going to select from these pictures which are classified as example of solid. And group 2, you are going to select from these pictures the examples of liquid. Okay, so group 3, you're going to select from these pictures. Okay, can you see pictures, right? Okay, so you're going to select this if this picture is the example of gas. Okay, so each one of you has a task, no? Okay, so I have a materials here. What is this? What is this? Yes, it is a Manila paper. Very good. So I will give it to you. Each one or each group, I will give one Manila paper. And what you are going to do to Manila paper? You're going to paste. Okay, you're going to paste in here the example of solid. Okay, you're going to paste it here. Then after that, you're going for example, group 1, you pasted all the example of solid. Then after that, you're going to present it in front, okay? You're going to present it in front of your classmates, okay? Okay, you're going to present that these are the example of solids, okay? So, kuha lang? Kuha? Okay, so let's do our science lab if nakuha. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go! In science, we learn. In science, fun. We love the science class. Okay. So I'm just going to distribute. Group 1. And group 2. Group 2. Naka. Okay, group 3. Okay, group 3. So, okay, pag gusto ka mo. You can do whatever you want. Okay, so listen, group 1. So, okay, instruction in handling the materials. What you are going to do when you are handling the materials, you need to be careful. Okay, you need to be careful. You need to be careful in handling the Manila paper because Manila paper can easily be scratched, okay? So be careful and please do your work quietly, okay? So I will give you 10 minutes or I think 5 to 10 minutes, okay? So, okay, just do your work. I have the scratch tape in here. So you will be selecting. Okay, just select. Which you think the example of solid, select. Okay, una dana yung group 1. Work quietly. Work carefully. Okay, group 1, if you are done selecting, you can pass it to group 2, okay? You can pass it to group 2 so that the group 2 can start.
5 minutes, seconds. Lord. Done.
Fart. What is fart? Anong fart? Anong ginagawa si mulubot? Mahangin. Oo, utot. Ano ng fart? Yes. Is that example of solid, liquid, or gas? Just like, okay, if you're done, just sit down. Okay, I will be, maas lang po kayo. If everyone is done. Just work quietly. Okay, cover your words. Cover your words. Cover your words. Because there are groups na wala pang matapos. Your words. Review, review, review. Review your words. And study. And studyhan nyo kung nga ang example nga inyo din kuha is example of solid. Studyhan nyo, studyhan. Nga ang inyo din pili example sa solid, liquid, or gas. Okay, so I guess each group is done with their words or with their given task, So cover your work, Danay. Cover your work. Hindi nyo pakita, Danay, si teacher. Hindi nyo Danay pakita, si teacher. Okay, so put your words. Put your words. If you are done, let's do our science club first. Let's do our science club if you are done. Okay? Just do your science club. 1, 2, 3, go! In science, science, learn, learn, learn. In science, science, fun, fun, fun. We are the science class. Okay, so very good. So I think that everyone is ready, no? Okay, so group 1, you're ready. Yes. You're going to report first, no? You're going to report first in front of your classmate. Okay, so just please proceed. The floor is all yours. Okay, just present it to your classmates, okay? Talk with your classmates. Okay, good morning everyone. Okay, wait lang. I can see that. Okay, just sit down. Sit down. Okay. What you are going to do if someone is talking in front of you? Quiet. Okay, and listen. Okay, so listen. Okay, group 1, proceed. Proceed. Okay. So, present what are the pictures?
You're not cheating. Shirt. Red. Star.
Okay, so clap our hands for group 1. Okay, group 1. Group 1, what do you think? Ano sa tingin nyo nga aamo na example sang solid? Nga aamoy na inyo ginpili. Ha? Okay, hindi mabali. Okay, what else? Okay, ano pa again? Amo lang to, kay hindi mabali. Okay, so let's do our science. Let's do our science class for group 1. 1, 2, 3, go! In science, science, learn, learn, learn. In science, science, fun, fun, fun. We love the science class. Okay, very good, group 1. 1. So please take your seat. Okay, group 2. Are you ready? Are you ready? Okay, so proceed. The floor is all yours. Okay, everybody. Why kumaki? Okay, James, go back to your seat. Go back to your seat. Okay, wala ko makita nga may gahambal, may gauti-kuti-kanay ta, ha? Okay? Okay, group 2, proceed.
Good morning, everyone. This is group 2. Milk, bottle, water, ice cream, apple juice, grape, and
Okay, so group 2, what do you think that the pictures you have picked is an example of liquid?
danlog sa pagbasa kalimutan.
Okay, very good. So let's do our science lab for group 2. 1. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. In science, we learn. In science, fun. We love the science class. Okay, group 2, very good. Okay, so excited ang group 3, no? Okay, group 3, yung may proceed na may excited na ako. Excited ang group 3. Okay. Okay, so all boys din ang group 3. Okay. So, okay. Okay, listen na everyone. Listen to group 3. Okay, group 3, proceed. Okay, this is the word. Okay, so please take the pictures that you have picked. Skin. What is that? It's a fart. Okay. So that air inside the balloon. Okay. Okay, balloon and also. And you have also picked sauce. And you have also picked leaf. And what is that? A flammable gas. Okay. So group 3, what do you think that the pictures that you have picked is an example of gas? Why is it? Okay, very good. Kay dili siya mahikapan. Kay dili siya kuno mauyatan hambal sa group 3. Okay, so let's give the science lab to group 3. 1, 2, 3, go! In science, we learn. In science, fun. We love the science class. Okay, group 3, very good. Thank you, everyone. So, since that, so I think okay, group 3. Okay, so I have a questions. Okay, I have a questions from group. Okay, I have questions now before we proceed to our final discussion. Okay, listen. I have questions. I will ask the group 1 if your answers of the pictures that you have picked as an example of solids are correct. So I will ask you. Okay? So tsakto ba lang inyo dipili ng mga pictures nga ga-define as the example of solid? Tsakto ba lang? Maybe. Okay, maybe for group 1 kuno, maybe kuno, hindi sila sigurado. So for group 2, okay, maybe also, maybe kuno, wala sila kabalo kung ang ilang nag-pick ng pictures or pictures are example of liquid. So hindi ka mo sigurado, 50-50. Okay, so group 3, are the pictures that you have picked as the example of gas? Are example of gas? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, kuno, sigurado ko na. Okay, so no na po ko na. So let's just discover it. Okay, so mabalata na siya because we're going to discuss na. Okay, we're going to discuss. So I will gather your group report. Okay, I will gather. Your group report. Okay, so class, since everyone is doing great and kabalo ko nga, nag-enjoy ka mo?
Yes!
Of course, you enjoyed. So, kabalo ka mo, you know the fireworks clap? Firework clap.
Ano?
di ba mana? Okay, so let's do a fireworks clap. Let's give fireworks clap for everyone. 1, 2, 3, go! Boom! Okay, number 10.
Okay, so at this juncture, we're going to proceed to our final discussion about the properties of matter. Why are you acting on? Okay, so we're going to discuss. Okay, this is our lesson for today, okay? Today. So, but before we're going to read, before we're going to discuss, I have here, okay, what did you see? Water in a bottle. What is this? Yes, an empty can. A can, an aluminum can. And what is this? Yes, it's a stone. Very good. Okay, so first I will show to you. Okay, I am holding an empty can, an aluminum can. Okay, so I will ask you. Okay, can you hold the aluminum can? Yes, you can hold. So, okay, you, Michael, can you hold aluminum can? Yes, of course we can hold it. So, can you feel the texture of aluminum can? Yay! Feel the texture. It is rough or soft? It is rough or soft? Rough. Rough? Okay, it is rough puno. Rough puno ang aluminum can. Okay, so, okay, Mutya, can you touch the aluminum can? Yes, can you touch you? She can touch the aluminum can. Okay, so let's just discover later whether the aluminum can is an example of solid, liquid, or gas. Okay, so another one I have here. What is this? Stone. Yes, Mr. Stone. Yeah, Mr. Stone. Say hello again to Mr. Stone. Yeah, hello, Mr. Stone. Hi. Okay, so. Okay, Mutya, can you please proceed to in front? Okay, so Mutya will demonstrate to you if she can hold, she can touch, or she can feel the stone. Okay. Okay, Mutya, can you hold the stone? Yes, definitely you can. What the stone feels like? It is rough, smooth. Rough. Okay, the stone puno is rough. Okay, so you can touch it, right? Yes, very good. Okay, so you may sit now. Okay, so we can, we have evidence na that we can hold the stone, we can touch the stone, and we can feel the stone. Okay, check please, pakitago sa bola. Okay, ha? Okay, so I have again I have water in a bottle. Okay, so let's just, what is this? Mag-focus lang kita sa tubig na ara sa sulod sa bottle. Okay, so if I will pour the water to your hands, what do you feel? If I will pour it, okay, it's cold, it's cold or hot. Okay, you can feel the water. Yes, you can feel the water. You can touch the water. No, you can touch the water. Okay, yes, we can touch the water, right? Mahikap ka lang man ng tubig, right? Okay, so, can you hold the water? No, of course we can. Okay, no? Because, for example, I will pour to my hands, okay? Okay, no. I can't hold the water, right? Okay, that's the evidence that we can hold the water, but we can feel the water, right? Okay, so, another example. Listen, children. Another example, just feel the wind. Okay, may hangin, di ba? Feel the wind. So, feel the wind. Okay, you can feel the wind? Yes. Of course. Okay, just try to hold the wind. Try to hold the wind. Where's the wind? Try to hold the wind. I can see the wind. You can't hold the wind? No. Yes or no? Of course not. We can't hold the wind. Of course, so you can't touch the wind. Try to touch the wind. No. Touch the wind. No. Okay. Of course, we can't touch the wind, right? Okay, very good. So, I think that everyone can identify is the wind is touchable.
unreasonable or what? Okay, so let's go to our discussion. Okay, just please, everyone, eyes on the board. Eyes on the board, Larry. Eyes on the board because we will be reading. Okay, so can you read? Okay, class, ready, start.
The properties of matter.
Okay,
The properties of matter classified as solid, liquid, and gas.
okay, so very good. So we all know already, diba, that matter is anything that occupies space. Okay, so anything kuno nga nag-occupy space is what we call matter. So matter is not only, or what we call, it's not only that we can see or we can feel, but also matter is classified into three properties. So these are, these are the solid, liquid, and gas. Okay, very good. So let's discover first what are the characteristics of solid. Okay, so let's read solid.
Solid.
Solid is
one of the
properties
of matter in which
molecules are very
packed closely.
packed. Okay, everyone, packed
Closely to each other and not free to move
about
within.
Okay, so another one. Solid.
Solid has a definite shape, definite color, size, and definite
Mass. Okay, so what are the examples of solid? Aluminum can
aluminum can,
and stone. Okay, so a while ago, I asked you, di ba, about if we can touch the aluminum can, right? I asked you, right? Okay, so we can touch the aluminum can, yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, of course we can touch it. We can hold the aluminum can. Yes, we can hold the aluminum can. And also, we can feel the aluminum can. Why is it, okay, ma'am, why is it that we can hold, feel, and touch the aluminum can? It is because the aluminum can is one of the example of solid. And it is classified as the aluminum can is classified as the example of solid because the molecules of the aluminum can are tightly very close to each other, or what we call very intact to each other. So what do you mean as very intact? What do we mean by intact? It is buo siya kaayo, di ba? So once ka mo, for example, if you are riding in a bus, okay, just imagine that you are riding in a bus and that bus is full of passengers. Okay, eyes on me. Eyes on me, children. You are riding in a bus, okay? You are riding in a bus. And then, that bus is full of passengers. So, ano gani, or what we call, ano gani mahimo kung ang bus, may mga passengers na gutok kayo. Gaano ang mga tao sa sulod? Ano? Oh, gutok-gutok, makagiho ka, hindi. Hindi, of course, we can't move. Diba? Kay every space are ano gani? Gutok kag puno. Amo man ang nakatabo sa solid. Oh, I come here. The molecules in solid are what? Ano gani? Are very packed closely to each other and not free to move. Kay packed sila within each other, hindi sila kagiho. So dasok-dasok gid. So amo na ang molecules sa solid. That is why we can touch the aluminum can. We can hold the aluminum can and we can feel the aluminum can. Okay? Kasabot, kachinde. Okay, so another example. I have here, what is this? Stone, right? What is this? Stone. Yes, of course, you can feel the stone. So, why is it that we can hold, we can feel, and we can touch the stone? What is it? Naa ma-touch na to ang stone, naa mag-ukyatan na to ng stone. Si ano gani? Yes, it is an example of solid. Very good. And it is because example siya sa solid, ang molecules ng stone are totally packed to each other and can't free to move within each other. Okay, so amo na siya. Okay, so the objects that I have mentioned, the object that I have mentioned to you, both aluminum can and stone, are both classified as an example of solid. What is it gani nga example sila sang solid? Kay ilang molecules are totally packed with each other. And also because the aluminum can, okay, listen to me, because the aluminum can in the stone has definite shape, definite volume, and definite mass. Okay, so kaya ako no, kay ilang molecules is very dasok-dasok gid. Kag wala sang space na, wala sang empty space na dasok pa nga molecules. That is why ang aluminum can in stone has a definite shape, definite size, and definite mass. Okay, so naintindihan ko ano ang solid? Naintindihan ko ano ang solid? Okay, very good. So, okay, so because we're done talking about the characteristics of solid, we're going to proceed naman to another properties of matter, which is the ano? Liquid. Okay, so please read, children.
Liquid has no definite shape but has definite volume size. It takes or follow the shape of the container it is in.
Okay, the
molecules are parted apart
Tipos gani.
molecular pattern or order. The molecules tie to each other. Okay, so the very prominent example of liquid is a water in a bottle. So I have here a water in a bottle. Okay, so a while ago, diba, I will demonstrate it to you. I demonstrated to you or visualize to you if we can hold the water, right? So I will ask you again, we can hold the water, yes or no? No. We can feel the water?
Yes.
Yes, we can touch the water?
Yes.
Yes, of course we can touch the water. That is why, because the water is example of liquid. Okay, so the molecules of the water is ano gani? The molecules are farther. Ano ibig sabihin sa farther? Layuanay sila ang mga molecules. That's why they have freedom to move. Okay, so the molecules are few lang. Okay, the molecules are few in the liquid. So that is why whenever we try to hold the water, okay, diba? Tapisting ka mo, huwag niyo ang tubig sa inyong hands. Try ka mo. Okay, so of course you try it. Okay, so whenever we try to hold the water, it will just flow. Okay, no? Diba? It will just flow to our hands down to the floor or ground. Because, okay, I will just demonstrate it. I have here the water in the bottle. Okay, you can see it. Okay. Okay. I will demonstrate to you. Okay, Larry and Matthew, are you listening? Are you listening to me? James, are you listening? Okay, just listen to teacher ha. Okay, so I will just demonstrate to you. Okay, so I have here water in a bottle and I have glass. What is this?
Glass.
Okay, glass. Okay, so I will transfer the water from the water bottle. I will transfer the water to the glass. Okay, so we let's see what will happen to the water. Okay, so, okay.
Okay, so I just transferred it, the water. Okay, so what happened to the water? 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 You see the water, right? Yes. You see the water, right? To the glass? Okay, so what happened to the water? Diba, dili siya gikan sa bottle? Oh, so, ang water, gisunod niya ang form sa glass. Okay, because in solid, okay, the molecules in solid, kuno ano gani? It takes or follow the shape of the container it is in. So, the molecules in liquid, class, the molecules in liquid, it has no definite size. Okay? It has no definite size. That is why the molecules in liquid are just following the shape of its object or the glass. The object is here is the glass. So, di ba? Nakita nyo, di ba, nga iyagin, gisunod ang shape. So, if we're going to compare the molecules in solid to liquid, the molecules in solid are ano gani? Totally packed to each other and very intact. Dasok-dasok, ibaya, no? Okay, so, here on the molecules in liquid, the molecules in liquid are somehow quite separated. Okay, so bali separated sila from each other. Hindi sila as in separated nga layo-layo, but separated lang sila gamay lang nga distance. So that is why we transfer the water into the glass, it follows the shape. Because in liquid, it has a definite size, di ba? Okay, we transfer the water to the glass, right? Okay, look ya. Di ba? We transfer the water to the glass. So, it has shape na. Okay, it has shape na. So, but, the water has no definite size. Okay? So, naintindihan ko ano ang liquid. Okay, so, another example is the milk. Okay, sino di ka inom gatas kada aga? Sino di, okay, very good. Sino ba inom gatas? Okay, masustansya nga pagkaon. Ang inom, okay? So, while you are, okay, stirring the milk on your glass, di ba? It wala no gani, ga-follow siya, di ba? Ga-follow siya sa spoon. So, that is why, because what we call the liquid milk, or ang tinimpla niya mga gatas, has no definite size, but has definite shape. Okay, so that is because the molecules sa gatas nyo are quite separated from each other. So, pwede lang siya maka-follow shape. Diba? Kung once gina-steer nyo, diba? Gina-steer nyo, diba? Sa spoon yung gatas. Nasunod man, diba, ang gatas? Okay, that is why. That explains the molecules in liquid. Okay, naintindihan na kung ano ang liquid? Okay, very good. So, let's proceed to the last properties of matter, which is the gas. Okay, so let's proceed. Let's proceed, okay? Okay, can you read, everyone? Please read. Please read, everyone. 1, 2, 3, go.
Gas has no definite shape and definite volume or size.
The molecules are very far from each other or totally not separated from each other. The molecules spread out to fill the container and move freely to each other. Example of gas is
air inside the balloon.
Okay, so the last properties of matter is what we call gas. Okay, so if we going to compare the molecules in liquid and in gas, the molecules in liquid gani, ano gani yung molecules? Quite, ano gani? Ano? Quite separated from each other, di ba? So medyo lagi-lagianay sila. ang mga molecules ng liquid. Okay, so while on here or while in here sa gas naman niya, kung sa liquid, kung sa liquid gamay lang ilang nga distansya sa molecules, sa gas naman niya class, lagyo anay na gid sila. Okay na chilihan? Okay, so it is because okay, example, ang air. Okay, a while ago, diba, I asked you if we can touch the air? We can touch the air? No, of course, we can feel the air, right?
Yes.
We can hold the air?
No.
No, of course, definitely we can't hold the air. Why is it we can't hold the air? Nga hindi natin siya maukyatan. Yes, Dimple. Nga hindi natin siya maukyatan. Kay? Hindi sila pareho sa liquid and solid. Amoy na? Ano? Okay, so I will discuss you. The reason why we can't hold the air because the molecules of the air is totally got separated. Lagyo-anay na din sila. So, is it because lagyo-anay na ang molecules ng air? That's why the air has no definite shape, no definite size, or definite mass. Amoy na nga, hindi na ito maopyatan ng air. Kaya diba sa solid, diba? Hindi pa kita ito example na sa stone, just like stone, diba? Because the molecules of the stone are, dasok-dasok, very intact. Amo na nga maopyatan natin siya, right? So, in here naman in gasya, the molecules are totally got separated. Lagi-lagi-anay, sila ya. May freedom sila nga maglagaw-lagaw. Maglagaw-lagaw ang mga molecules. That is why we can't hold the air. Okay, so another example. Can you give me another example of gas? Ano pa din aside sang air? Aside sang air, ano pa din ang example ng gas? Otot, very good. Otot na ginapagawa niyo kung magalain yung tiyan. So, mahanginan ninyo tiyan, right? O, sino ti kagi utot? Huwag ka mo kaagi utot? Huwag ka mo kaagi utot? Why sila ko ng kaagi utot? Okay, ako yung kaagi ko utot. So, oo, dapat may pagapuga ka nga hangin sa imo nga lawas. Okay, very good. Okay, very good. Now, clap your hands. Clap your hands sa kabalo sa example ng gas. Okay, another example is ang atong mautot. Okay, so, hindi natin maupyatan ng atong utot. Oo, very good. Kay, ang mga molecules, galagaw-lagaw lang biskan tingin kan. Totally got separated siya. Wala siya shape, pag wala siya size. Diba? Ang air may size. Wala. Of course, very good. Wala size ang air. Kaya nga agani, kaya iyang molecules, totally got separated. Okay? So, another example of gas. What? Gasol? Okay, flammable gas. Very good, Mikey. Ang sa gasol, kita ka mo gasol, di ba? Ang ginagawa ng gas ng gasol. Ang muna siya example, another example of gas. Okay? So, ma-hold niyo ang gas? Hindi ko makikita, di ba? It's because, the molecules are, galagaw-lagaw lang ang molecules. Wala definite shape, wala definite size. Okay, so, naisindihan ko so, those three, the solid, solid, liquid, gas. Okay, so, ni gani sila? Niya solid, liquid, and gas? Or anyone from the class? Anyone? Okay, Larry, what is this three? What are these three? Okay, Mutya.
Properties of matter.
Okay, very good. Let's give her a round of applause. These three are the properties of matter. Okay, so you can now identify what are the examples of liquid or solid. Okay, I will ask each one of you. Okay, Charmaine, what is the example of solid? Please stand up. Stand up. Wood, very good. Wood. Okay, give your round of applause. Very good, thank you, Charmaine. Okay, Michael, what is the example of, or what is the example of liquid? We discussed it a while ago. Okay, I will ask you na lang. Is a water an example of liquid? Yes or no? Yes. Yes, very good. Okay, so the example of liquid is water, right? Okay, so Angel, what is the example of gas? Example of gas. Utot or fart. Okay, very good. So, I guess already everyone is already know what is the example. What are the examples of solid, liquid, or gas? Okay, so okay. Okay, class. Sino na ko to? Okay, class. Okay, just sit properly. Okay. Mawala na utot. May nakutot gindi ay. Okay, so. Using your science. Okay, class. Okay, class, I have an activity for you to do. Okay, so using your science activity notebook. Okay, get your science activity notebook. Get your science activity notebook. Okay, so get your science. Okay. Get your science. Okay. On your notebook, on your activity notebook, draw a table. Okay, draw a table. Draw a table na. Oh, a big square. Very good, Michael. Draw a big square. Oh, square. Yes, square. One square, oh. Oh, very good, Angel. Oh, okay. Tanana ka, draw na square? Yes. We just draw it, ano. Oh, very good, Mutya. Very good, Charmaine. Very good. Okay, very good, Larry. Kinakahimo na square. Okay, if you're finished, draw. Okay, finish naman si Paul. Very good. Okay. Sa draw nyo na ang table or square, divide it into 3 columns. So, divide the 3 columns. Oo. Vertical. E pa, putang i-divide into 3. Putang i-line. 1, 2. Oh, very good, Charmaine. Very good. Very good, Charmaine. Kaya pamati. Oh, very good, Mutya. Very good, Angel. Very good. Oh, very good, Dimple. Oh, very good, Michael. Oh, draw. Divide it into 3. Oh. Okay, very good, James. Very good, Chloe. Okay, so, I think not everyone is done. Okay, so, each column, okay, sige, iyansap biyang table, activity notebook, iyansap, ipakita sa akon. Oh, okay, ipakita sa akon. Okay, so, tanawa, balik na sa inyo, tanawa. Di ba may 3 column? Okay, so each column, name each column solid. The number of first column, solid. Second column, liquid. And third column, gas. Liquid. Ang mga examples ng liquid. Amo niya ang cause ng liquid. solid? Yes or no? Yes. Of course, yes. So, kamo man, draw anything. So, padamo-damo anay na ha. Draw anything you want. Draw anything you want. Okay, padamo-damo anay ni example. Because I will gather your science activity notebook later and I will check that. Okay, I will give you time for you to think.
1 hour.
Okay, children, are you done doing your task?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Easy lang, no? Easy lang? Okay, very good. So, just pass your activity notebook because I will check it, okay? And I will record it.
May uba pa na. Ano ne?
Okay, so, okay, children. So, you have the keywords. You have the keywords, right?
Yes.
Okay, so I will give you a chance again. I will give you a chance to correct your answers. Okay, so those keywords that you are holding, you paste it again. Okay. Okay, so just paste it now. Okay, just paste it.
Sila sala. Tuduy sila rin na sa solid.
Okay, Dimple. Okay, so everyone, please read. Okay. So please read. Okay. Okay, so let's check your answers if your answers are correct. Okay, so molecules are intact. Okay, the molecules are intact o no? Solid. Tsaka hindi. Okay, very good. Bag is an example of this property of matter. It's solid. Tsaka hindi. Okay, very good. Solid niya akong ginabasa. Tanan ha? Okay. Molecules are closely packed together. Tsaka hindi. Tsaka hindi. Okay, very good. So, another one is, okay, liquid naman ta. Okay, sa liquid naman ta. Takes the shape dictated by its container. Tsaka hindi. Okay, very good. So, okay, these are the molecules of the liquid. Tsaka hindi. Okay, very good. So, has a definite shape but no definite size. Correct? Yes or no? Correct? Yes or no? Yes, of course, very good. So, okay, may sala nga naputang sa solid niya siya ha. Sa solid niya mga molecules ha. And this one also, no definite shape and no definite volume or size. Then siya, sa gas ha. Okay, gas. So, okay, let's proceed to gas here. Okay, these are your answers. Smoke is an example of this property. Sa gas. Ang smoke example sa gas, hindi. Okay, very good, correct. So, you can feel it, you can feel and you can touch and hold. You can't feel kuno, hindi ko ma-feel, hindi ko ma-hold, hindi ko ma-touch. Sa gas, hindi. Okay, very good. Yeah, gas. So, what okay, the molecules are far apart and move about freely. So, freely ang mga molecules makamove. Tsakto ito sa gas. Tsakto sa, okay, very good. Tsakto sa gas. Okay, so, ay tanan na nakasabot, ay tanan na nakachindi kung ano ang solid, liquid, and gas. So, let's do our science lab. May nakachindi na ka mo. Okay, let's do our science lab. 1, 2, 3, go! In science, we learn. In science, we fun. We love the science class. Okay, very good. Okay, class, so are you ready for our oral quiz?
Yes.
Okay, so prepare yourself. Okay. For number 1, listen carefully because I will record your score, okay? I will take down all the names that na naka-answer, okay? I will take down all of the names. Okay, number 1. Has a definite shape and definite size. A, solid. B, liquid. C, gas. Michael. What? Okay, very good. Michael. Number 2, has a definite size, but no definite shape. A, solid. B, liquid. C, gas. Yes, Dimple. Huh? B. What is that B? Okay, very good. Liquid, Dimple. Number 3, has no definite shape or size. Chloe. Huh? Okay, very good. Very good, gas. Chloe. Okay, number 4. Milk is an example of this property. A, solid. B, liquid. C, gas. Yes, Gary. Okay, very good. Okay. Okay, ano na kita number?
5.
Okay, 5. Very good, Charmaine. Kaya ka pamati. Okay, number 5. Number 5. A book is an example of this property. A, solid. B, liquid. C, gas. Yes, liquid.
Solid.
Okay, solid. Okay. Number 6. Ice cube is an example of this property. Yes, Mutia.
Solid.
Solid. Very good. Okay. Number 9. Number 8. I would be another number. 7. Okay, 7. Very good. Chair is an example of this property. Chair. Okay, Gary.
Solid.
Huh?
Solid.
Okay, very good. Solid. Very good, Gary. Okay, number 8. Okay, si Angel naman. Si Angel, number 8. Number 8. Steam is an example of this property. A, solid. B, liquid. C, gas. Huh? Gas? 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 Okay, very good. Gas. Okay, very good. Angel. Okay, the last okay. Number 9. The following are the properties of matter except. What do we mean by except? Okay, we got A, solid. B, liquid. C, gas. Flowing. Huh? Okay, very good. Name. Okay. So, number 10. Okay, the last number. Okay? So, the last number is the last number. Number 10. Water. Hindi ko magtukso sa naghahansap danay. What magani ka balusong question? Lang. Okay, patapusan si teacher, ha? Okay. Number 10. Water is an example of this property. Water, ha? Water. Didiscuss ka na, Gina. Is it solid, liquid, or gas?
Mom.
Charmaine.
Liquid.
Okay, very good. Okay, so I guess that everyone is already know what is the properties of matter. The characters is matter. Okay, very good. So, the next activity. Okay. So get your notebook. Children, get your notebook. And get your pen. Get your pen and notebook. Okay, class. Because we're done in our oral test, so get your science notebook. Get your science notebook and you copy your assignment. Ha, okay? So, but before you're going to copy your assignment, let's read first, okay? Let's read. 1, 2, 3, go.
In your house, 5 things that can be
Identify
as solid, liquid, and gas. Make a table that can
separate each example of already with God. Okay, naintindihan? Okay, so copy your assignment. Okay, children. So, you're done copying your assignment? Okay, so, let's stand up na. Mapulit na kita. Okay. So, we're going to pray before we... Okay. Dear Lord, thank you for this day that you have given. Thank you for this day that